Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a card knife. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a sturdy, thin sheet material, such as a hard plastic card or a piece of flat stainless steel. The material should be about 2 millimeters thick for optimal rigidity. This foundational step is crucial for the knife's overall durability and performance, so choose wisely. We want something that can hold an edge effectively. Next, we move to the design and cutting phase. Begin by drawing your desired blade and handle shape onto the chosen material. A simple credit card size, approximately 85 by 54 millimeters, is a good starting point. Use sharp scissors for plastic or a metal shear for steel to cut out your design. Remember to smooth any rough edges for a clean finish. Now let's focus on sharpening the edge. Begin with a 1000 grit sharpening stone, applying light pressure to create an initial bevel. Maintain a consistent angle, ideally between 20 and 30 degrees, as you draw the blade across the stone. For a truly refined and keen edge, finish by honing with a 6000 grit stone, using water and oil for a smoother process. Finally, we add the finishing touches and discuss care. Carefully inspect your newly crafted card knife for any lingering imperfections. You might consider adding a small handle wrap for improved grip and comfort during use. For safety, always store your finished item in a protective sheath or a designated, secure location. Responsible handling ensures longevity and prevents unintended incidents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.